Today is July 17th, 2023, and I hope everyone enjoyed yesterday's video. A couple of you didn't understand what I meant when I said copy this script and create a scan for those white arrows. So we're going to quickly do that here. So you're going to go here, load scan query, and create a new scan query. And this window is going to pop up. And you can name it whatever you want, custom script. You can name it moving average scan because it's the same thing. But name it, save it, and this window will close. Then come here and open it up. It's going to be in your personal, and I already have it open here. So while we're here, select this section here and eliminate the OTC stocks. And then you're going to click add filter and your stock and enter the price range you like to trade. For now, I'll just put $1 and $30. Then you're going to click add filter again and click study. Going to click on ADX crossover. Go down here and select volume and average volume and enter whatever volume you want to put here, 1 million, 5 million, and leave it on day. Then you're going to click add filter and study again. And you're going to click on the ADX crossover and custom. And this window will pop up and you're going to delete this, copy the code below the video and click on ThinkScript editor and you're going to paste it right here. And this is the same script that's in the custom arrow video. We just eliminated the exit script. We didn't need it for the scan. We only want to find the stocks that meet the criteria.
Pull back 5 minutes.
And change the time frame here, the one that's on the script, to whatever time frame you like to trade. I'll put it on 1 minute for now and click scan. And then click these 3 bars and save the scan again. And then you can go over to your Market Watch tab and open up that scan we just created, and this is it here. And all you have to do is click on each one and go check the charts and see if they have white arrows, and they should. So all of them are going to have a white arrow. It doesn't guarantee they're going to go up. Today's a very slow market day. There's hardly any volume at this time. But in the morning, it's pretty powerful. Run this scan. See if you can make a profit. Appreciate you watching, and God bless.